And what did you bring tonight?
I was thinking that we're sitting here. We should do something like silly that everyone can do, which you might win, because I want to give you the opportunity. I love Skittles, and I think whoever chews and finishes 10 Skittles, and they're the same, I counted, so that nobody's cheating.
First
10
one
Skittles.
To chew
It's really
and swallow
hard, though.
wins. It's 10 Skittles. It's hard to chew and swallow.
Yes, like an empty mouth.
By the way,
fastest.
don't invite me to your parties.
Well,
are you ready? Are you ready for this?
I don't know. 'Cause I need
I'm going to win this one. On your mark, get set, go.
Don't choke!
All right. Gotta do it. I'm getting very close. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Let me see. Open all the way. Open all the way. Open all the way, Skittle mouth. I won! Yes! Axes, chewing, and swallowing my food. I am very talented.
Priyanka.
You, yeah. I love her. Priyanka Chopra, everybody.